All right, Facebook family, we are back at it again. We have Livvie here. Now, Livvie is a Chihuahua mix, and Livvie was actually an owner surrender with her sister, who's a Maltese, Lizzie. So Lizzie and Livvie were owner surrendered yesterday to the Utah Humane Society. So we're hoping we can possibly find a family who's willing to adopt both of them so we can keep them together. Now, Livvie here's adoption fees $150. Lizzie, I believe, is also $150 for a very economical price of $300. You can get both of them, which would be amazing because then we could keep the two siblings together. They've been together for a while. Now, a couple of things to think about, or to know about Livvie here, is she was actually born, you can see right here, with a birth defect in that her arm was, she was born with a much shorter arm than the rest of her legs. Having said that, she gets around perfectly. She was born this way, so she walks and runs around just fine. She's actually known for escaping, so you'll have to keep a good eye on her. But something to keep in mind is that she will need low impact exercise due to the leg, this little arm right here, being shorter than the rest. She can't really do high impact exercise, so not a lot of like long walks or running, maybe just little playing around the house, throwing a toy around, and you'll see how amazing she runs with just the three of her legs. But nothing crazy as far as long walks and stuff like that. But as you can see, she's absolutely adorable. She's such a cute little Chihuahua mix. And so again, we're hoping that we can find somebody who's open to adopting both Livvie and her sister Lizzie, which again, Livvie is a Chihuahua mix, but her sister is a Maltese mix. So they've been together for a long time, and unfortunately, sadly, they were owner surrendered as of yesterday as a pair. So if you know anybody, or if you're thinking of adopting a couple dogs, I think these two would make a great fit for your family. All right, thanks for watching.